Welcome back. Before we take a look at the day's business news, let's take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. The Dubai Statistics Centre recently announced that 736 buildings were completed in Q1 of 2013, a 6.6% increase compared to the previous quarter, with a value of 3.73 billion dirhams against 3.5 billion dirhams. The report also indicated that multi-storey buildings had the largest share of the delivery in Q1 2013, making up 39% with a value of 1.44 billion dirhams against 1.34 billion dirhams in Q4 of 2012. With the resurgence in property prices over the past 18 months, a host of projects have been brought to the Dubai market in big numbers as demand drives a second phase of development. With more stringent and protective legislation in place to protect buyers, Dubai's leading real estate developers are placing huge weight in the delivery of projects, following a spate of high-profile announcements. Ziad Al-Shah, the managing director of Damac Properties, was quoted in a recent announcement from the company as saying that it is critically important to show action and consistent progress, adding that Dubai will define its global position in the coming couple of years as international investors watch the speed of delivery for these major projects. Al-Shah further elaborated on this, revealing that alongside a prime location and a luxury living environment, delivery timelines is now one of the top 3 deciding factors for any buyer. Damac Properties has launched a number of iconic projects across the region in recent months, including serviced hotel apartments in the Burj area of Dubai and Riyadh in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. OMV, the Austrian oil producer part owned by Abu Dhabi, has won rights to explore for oil and gas east of the capital. The contract signed this week with Abu Dhabi National Oil Company makes Austria only the second country to partner with the emirate in oil exploration since 1967, when a Japanese consortium won a bid for the offshore Mubarak field. Last year, South Korea's National Oil Corporation and GS Energy won rights to develop 3 blocks covering 10% of Abu Dhabi's landmass. The International Petroleum Investment Company, the Abu Dhabi Sovereign Wealth Fund with a focus on refining and petrochemicals, holds a quarter stake in OMV. Both are joint venture partners in Borealis, the Austrian polymers producer, and Borealis and ADNOC in turn own Borouge, the Emirates' biggest petrochemical maker. OMV did not disclose where it would drill in eastern Abu Dhabi, where it joins Occidental, which holds rights to 2 fields there, and the South Korean consortium, which has a block on the southeastern border. Last year, ADNOC recruited OMV and Germany's Wintershall to appraise the Schweizertor gas field near the western border.